दाबोळे आनी मोपा हे दोन्ही विमानतळ चालू उरतले म्हूण केंद्रीय मंत्री VK सिंग हांच्यांनी स्पश्ट केलां। ताका लागून आतां मनांत कसलीच भिरांत दवरपाची गरज ना। तशेंच गोवा टॅक्सी ॲप तयार करपाचे प्रक्रियेत आसा म्हण येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनो उलयला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
The Civil Aviation Secretary very clearly he said that this is a final document for us. We can't go against this document. We have to work according to that. And आम्ही त्यांना clearly मागला. In this respect, please see that some guidelines or some circular is issued. You just can't shift unilaterally from one airport to another. आमकांय जाय, both airports should survive. It is required for boosting tourism, for getting additional flights and additional people to the state of Goa. People prefer this as a destination. So, लोकांक आमी हाडपा जाय न्हू. Goa Taxi app is in the process of being developed. We are in the advanced stage, but we want to make it a perfect job. But another most important thing is once it is ready, we need to discuss it with all the taxi people, with all the stakeholders, with all the association, which me and my tourism minister, we will do the first round, second round, then we will meet along with Chief Minister.
By end of December we can say, sir?
Yes, end of December it will be ready, but I don't want to take any chances. I don't want to be in a hurry as far as this is concerned. Right now we have Goa Miles operating. It's not that there is no app operated taxi in Goa at all, which was a big minus for us. As Goa Miles ahani, so we will get Goa Taxi app in collaboration. They will be the owners, all the taxi association, taxi people. We first want to give them confidence. That confidence building measures, discussions with them, calling them may take a little time. So I don't take December as a deadline. Soon after that, maybe in a month or two, we want to make it a reality.
कितले association कडे meeting झाले आतापर्यंत?
आतापर्यंत जाऊना informal discussion हा. Formal discussion once we have the app ready, then I can discuss now. When it is not fully ready, what can I discuss with them? I just floated the idea. I am informing them I am coming with this app so that they are not caught unprepared. They should prepare and train their minds accordingly.
कोणे न्यू कोणे ऍप्लिकेशन केलं हे ऍप काढपाक बी न्यू कोणे ऍप्लिकेशन बी
ना कोणे करू ना पण हांव आमचें सरकारूच करता न्हू आनी आमी तांकां ऑनर करतले तांकां जेन्ना एक्सप्लेन आमी करतले समजोणी दितले तेन्ना तांकां कळटली आमचे ही ऍप आमीच चलयतले म्हणून